making a video. It's interesting, no?
Oh yeah.
There's a full view on Bollywood. Very nice design looking restaurant that. Looking transportation there. It's the name up above, Gsha Greek restaurant and concept bar. Here. I think this is one of the gay night spot bars here. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So this evening I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature for you in this evening's video is a night street walking tour along the street of Jalan Camplung Tanduk. So I'll put that name in the in writing in the video, just so you know where I'm talking about, in case I'm mispronouncing it, which I'm sure I am. However, this is a very vibrant tourist street here in the Seminyak area, and I'm going to take a walk from the street of Jalan Raya Seminyak all the way down to the bottom of the street here at Jalan Camplung Tanduk, showing you all the restaurants, nightlife, shopping options and everything along the street along the way. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a stroll along Jalan Camplung Tanduk. Okay, so this is the start point for this evening's video. This is Jalan Raya Seminyak here. This is the main street. This way he's going to be heading back towards Legian and Kuta area. This way is a continuation of Seminyak, and this is a street that's going to be featured in tonight's video. So the street name is Jalan Camplung Tanduk, as indicated by the sign there. Have a Made in Bali shop across the street. And now we're going to continue walking down the street. Maskan Padang here, local warung. So some of the shops are going to be closed already, because we're already 9:30 in the evening. We have Dusty across the way there. Let's take you across and show you. I think this is currently closed, but it's very nice inside there at Dusty. Name up above. We're just going to cut back across the street, weaving in and out of all the traffic. We have double one on this side of the street. A few people inside there. Just continue on down the street. Bio Spa across the street there. Inside. Go-jet driver here. All the slushies in there. Continue walking down the street. We have a Gung Spa and Beauty across the street there. We also have Frankenstein's there. It's very, very busy in Frankenstein's. It's very busy in there. Oh, I just want to show it's okay. Cadera across the street here, bistro and bar. Alfie across the street there, looks like a men's boutique shop. Aquatica. Luxury day spa, Aquatica. And a tourist information, tour booking agent there. Bio Spa in the green and yellow there. We just cut back across the street and zoom in on Bio Spa. close up on Bio Spa, very nice looking spa that. Some of the price menu. Have Sushi Ma across the street there. So there's the name, Sushi Ma. This is a popular sushi place. Open 11 till 11. It's just in the back there, so it's a sushi train system in there. And then just across the street we have Mozarella restaurant and bar. There's a few customers still in Mozarella, some sat outside at the front here. There's a name up above. Just over the street there we have the Fox and Rabbit bar and restaurant. Okay, we'll just continue walking down the street now. So we have a gelato factory across the street there. A Fortune salon and massage here, just outside. Continue walking down the street. We have Berlian Media Care there across the street. Tourist goods shops on that side. We have some tourist goods shops on this side also. A place called Galaxy Sports Bar here. Too many people in there. Master Crepes across the street there. Sweet and salty. Just cut across the street. Just turning around we have Italian Way. Italian restaurant. Looking transportation there. Some tourists walking down the street now. Here's the Italian Way. Circle K convenience store across the street there. Also have a gateway to India. Have Primera hotels here. In the back there have the Bush Telegraph Pub across the street there. This is the Bush Telegraph. A few customers inside there in the Bush Telegraph. Tourist goods shops here, typical tourist goods. Some bags and things inside there. Have Gsha Warung across the street there. Warung Gsha. Inside Warung Gsha. Hello, good evening, how are you? Just take you across the street and pick this place up. Backyard kitchen and bar. Customers in the back there, however relatively empty. A place called G Club here. Deluxe Medusa Ink Tattoo Studio. Some Deluxe Medusa Tattoo Studio. We have some more tourist goods shops next door. We have a place called Gsha Greek Restaurant and Concept Bar. It's the name up above, Gsha Greek Restaurant and Concept Bar. There's the inside of Gsha. Have Yogurt Republic across the street there. Just come back out now. A place called Mixwell here. I think this is one of the gay night spot bars here. It's quite busy inside there. It's from Mixwell. Just next door we have Bali Joe. Wow. This is Bali Joe. Wow. Just making a video. It's interesting, no?
Oh yeah.
It's very nice. From England. But I live Bali. Just next door we have 6 Bar. Just going to move back across the street and this one place called Gsha. Moving in between all the traffic here. Gsha here. It's the inside. Okay, so just from Gsha now we'll continue walking down the street. We have a Keela Pharmaceutical in the back there if you need any headache tablets from all the entertainment. Some nice ladies and things on the street there. Hello. Just across the road and just turn back on this place here. It's called Bollywood. There's a full view on Bollywood. Very nice design looking restaurant that. Indian. Just continue walking down the street, going into a bit of a darkness scene now because many of the businesses are closed here. Hello.
Yes.
What? So there's not too much open now in this section of street. All of these businesses are closed now. We're after 10 p.m. at night. I have a place called Lucky Day Sports Bar and Restaurant there. A few customers inside there at Lucky Day. And then that's as far as I'm going to go along the street here. Oh no, we'll continue walking down to the corner. It's not going to be too much here. I'm just going to switch the camera off for a moment. Okay, so just after walking down the street now, we've come to this corner here. We have the Shisha House and Lounge there in the back, just packing up. It's the Shisha House and Lounge across the street there. And then this is as far as I'm going to go for the video. Okay, so that concludes my night walking tour here along the street of Jalan Camplung Tanduk. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, but not sure if I am or not, but never mind anyway. So as you've seen with the camera, this is a very vibrant street. Although tonight it was a little bit quiet, please take into consideration it is during the time of Ramadan here in Indonesia, so the streets are relatively quiet. A lot of Indonesians tend not to come out during an evening in Ramadan. However, if under normal circumstances, this is an absolutely fabulous tourist street. As you've seen, there's a fabulous collection of restaurants along this street, some great shopping options, even though they weren't all open during this evening's video. You've got some fabulous night spots also on this street. All in all, this is just a fabulous location if you're staying in this area of Seminyak, Bali. So on that note, hope you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and maybe if you're staying in this area, pay some of the places a visit during your holiday here in Bali. And I shall say bye for now.